Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Schoolmate. So today we are back with another unboxing and review. So today's video is about Camlin Painting Kit. It comes with a good packaging. So let's unbox it. So yes, this is the number of products in this pack. There are a total of 6 products in this pack. So let's see them one by one. So the first thing is the Camlin drawing book. It is about 36 pages and the price of this is about 35 rupees. The quality of paper is actually good. You can use this for oil pastel painting and also wax crayons, but I think it won't be suggestible for watercolor painting, but it's quite good. You can use this for kids. And the second product is the Camlin wax crayons, extra long. So there are about 12 colors and the price of this is about 25 rupees. So let's open it. Yes, the colors are bright and actually it's extra long. I have 12 nice shades. And the third product is Camlin Sparkle Glitter Colors. There are about 6 colors. It is ready to use. And the price is about 35 rupees. 6 tubes with 5 ml in each. You have pink, grey and gold, green, blue and silver. So these are the colors. And the fourth product is Camlin color pencils, 12 colors and also with a free sharpener. The price of this is about 25 rupees. So let's open it. So these are the colors. So this is actually the length of this color pencil. There are about 12 colors and the price is about 25 rupees. And the fifth product is Camlin watercolor cakes. There are about 24 cakes and plus one brush free. So the palettes are quite smaller. It is about 70 rupees. It comes with a plastic container and also with the water mixing palette and also a brush. And the last and the final product is this Camlin oil pastels, which is famous for. Yes, there are about 12 colors and the price is about 35 rupees. It also comes with a scraper. It will be quite useful for people for scraping. Okay, this is the last product and we have finished it. Yes.